Hello everyone, welcome to Gaurav's Kitchen. I think you're bored of having those regular sauces. So now I will show you how to make two mother sauces out of five. There are five, but I will show you two, and after adding flavor to them, you can make hundreds of them, 100 different type of sauces. So come, I will show you how to make it. For the two sauces, I am gonna make bechamel first, for which I need flour, butter, which should be in equal quantity, then some milk, salt, pepper, and that should be according to your taste, 2 bay leaves, half onion, and 4 cloves. So let's begin. So bechamel is a roux based sauce. So we have to cook flour, equal amount of flour and equal amount of butter together. And so we have to start now. The butter first and will allow it to melt. So I'm melting the butter first and then I will add the flour in it. So now it is melted, so we will add flour in it. Just add flour and then you have to start mixing it. You will see that it will start thickening up because of the flour. Then add some more. So now we will add milk slowly and steadily, and we have to mix it like continuously. So now I have added all the milk in it. So now we just have to whisk it regularly to get it to the consistency that we need. It should coat the back of the spoon. So now we have to add pepper and salt according to our taste, so it will give it a flavor. Now you have to make an onion piqué where you have to put cloves, 4 cloves in a half onion like this. This will add flavor to the sauce. Like the sauce is all about adding flavors in it. Will stick inside. Yeah, it's like this. So now we have to add this thing in it, and it should like cover it with the sauce so that it gives flavor. Then now we have to switch on the flame to a low amount and then let it simmer for some time. Now we have to strain the sauce, so if there is any lump or something, it can go out of that. So this should be consistency of the sauce, and it should coat the back of the spoon like this. So now it's time to make the second sauce. First we made bechamel. That was the roux based sauce, and now we will make fondue. That's a slurry based sauce. So for that we need diced onions, thyme, rosemary, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, salt and pepper according to your taste, vegetable stock, and cooking oil. So let's begin. 1 tablespoon of oil, and let the oil get smoky enough. So then after that we will add onions to it. We have to add onions in it, and we have to wait till it gets caramelized. Now the onions are caramelized. Now we will add 500 milliliters of vegetable stock in it. So we have oil, caramelized onions, and the vegetable stock. Now we will add flavors to it. We will add rosemary, thyme. Now we will add some salt according to our taste. Now we will add some pepper to it. So let it simmer for some time on a low flame and absorb the flavors. And so in this, the thickening agent will be the slurry, which we will make from the cornstarch by mixing the cornstarch and water. I'm making a slurry. So this will be the opposite temperature because the stock is hot right now. So now we have to wait until a boil comes. Then we will add slurry to it because we have to put opposite temperatures. So we have to raise the temperature of this. So now you can see that bubbles are coming. So we will add the mixture of cornstarch and water to it. And you will see the change in the consistency in a minute only. So now you can see the consistency has changed and it has started to thicken up. So now you can see the consistency. It should coat the back of the spoon. So you can see it. In the sauce. Now you saw both the sauces. You can add any flavor to the bechamel, and I made the fondue with the vegetable stock, but you can make it with the beef stock as well. Just try it at your home and just tell me how you liked it.